up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to hit the notifications button so every time I upload a video you will be notified. Thank you to all my new subscribers for coming along for the ride. My name is Brandy and my channel is about handmade crafts. I make t-shirts, children's clothes, to embroidery, sewing, make tumblers, coffee mugs, and so much more. So I'm super excited to share with you this week's craft video. So let's jump right into it. Hey friends, happy Sunday. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. As you can see, I have been lounging all day. I've been watching one of my favorite shows, My Lottery Dream House, because that's going to be me one day. So I'm super excited to share with you this week's craft video. I tried something new today. Okay, so let me go ahead and just jump right into it, right? Without further ado, as we always say. So I did a no-sew tutu today. I did one this morning, right? So I like the no-sew tutu, but there's a few things that either I would do differently or a few things that I would probably do better at. This is something that I would definitely have to master before I even think about selling at my shop. I'm definitely gonna have to do quite a few of these to go ahead and get it right? So I like the tutu. So I found this video, first of all, I found a tutorial, and I kind of went off of her tutorial, but I did add a little bit more tool length than what she did, because the one thing I did notice that the tutu was really short. Although it was extremely fluffy and it was beautiful, it was really short. And some people in the comments were talking about how short it was too. So I did my length 12 inches instead of, I think she had 6 inches for hers, or I think, or something like that. But in all, it's a great tutorial. It's a great tutu. She did an awesome job. But I think I miscounted my tool as well. I think I needed more tool on my tutu, and I also feel like I need a better way, even though I did the cardboard method like she did in her video, and I'm going to link her video below so you guys can check it out. But I did the cardboard method like she did, and I feel like I need to do it a different way to make sure I have the accurate amount of tool for my tutu. So this was like really like a test run to see how I like the no-sew version, and I think I'm going to buy one of those mats. Like, I think it's like a 32 by 48, like, those measuring mats. They're like self-healing mats. I think I'm gonna get me one of those to kind of like better count it, right? The only other thing that I had an issue with was the elastic. It kept folding, and so she did the knot method in her video. And when I tied the knot, I made sure I tied not too tight where the elastic would, the elastic would roll up. I did it, it's like, it'd be like right underneath it, but it still ended up rolling up. So now I did something wrong, I don't know. So that was one thing. And then also, I also did a, I tied the elastic in a knot, and then at the end, when I was done, I untied it, and I sewed it together. So I also have those clips to add in here too, so you can see it. So this is definitely a test run. I definitely want to try the sew tutu, where you sew the ribbon on it. So I hope I'm pronouncing her channel right, because she's like a tutu queen. So Catchy's Customs. I'm definitely going to look at more of her videos. I've been following her for a while now, since sometime last year. I definitely want to look at some of her videos. And I also like Cindy Mankata. If I might be mispronouncing her name. Sorry if I am. If you ever see this, you may not. But I'm also going to watch some more of her tutu videos, because I love watching both of those ladies do tutus. I absolutely love it. They make it look so easy. So I am going to try the ribbon tutu. But I'm excited that I was able to make a tutu, right? So, I mean, it came out okay, not too bad, but I definitely have to really kind of get my skills up on this right here to start doing a tutu process. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my clips so you guys can have an idea and see, and tell me if you've ever made tutus and how your process was and if you liked my process. So let's go ahead and add these clips in. Okay guys, so did you see how I did it? Now, when I watched the tutorial, she made it look super easy. So I was having a little bit of struggling. I did attempt to put it on my leg. As you can see, that was a struggle. But putting on my leg did help. But my leg was a lot bigger than hers, but that's okay. That's all right. But it still helped to do that process. So tell me, what do you guys think? How did you like how I made it? Have you guys ever done a no-sew tutu? Let me know in the comments. Let me know, tell me what you think of my process. Let me know your process. Do you have an easier way? And if you know how to make, you know, tutus with the ribbons on it, hey, I'm all up for, you know, videos and all that kind of stuff. Like I mentioned, you know, before, that I was going to check out Cindy and Kachi's videos for to do some tutus, but I'm definitely going to try the ribbon tutu to see which one I like the best, right? Now, even though that one was super simple, it took me like maybe, and probably because it was like my first time, it took me maybe like 45 minutes to knot that up, which is super easy, you know what I'm saying? And then a few minutes for me to sew the elastic together. And even though I straightened out the elastic before I sewn it, it still seems to kind of like roll. Maybe it's gonna roll anyway. I mean, I don't know. So you guys tell me what you think about that. So that was today's craft video, and I am super excited that I was able to share that with you guys. Remember, keep creating, keep growing, and stay consistent. So make sure you stay positive in your business. Keep going for your goals and your dreams, and just know that you guys got this. So if anybody haven't told you this week, I'm telling you, you guys got this. You're doing great. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me each and every single week. So until next time, take care, guys.